ain't shit changed. This ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck it do? Yo, put away, it's some bad bitches coming through. I get 2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. Yeah, I play tag and you play for life. Yeah, you a clown.
So, first thing foremost, if you know, I have had the iPhone 7 for a minute now. And I was not going to upgrade, but as a gift, so I was like, hey, why not? Because I need a new phone. Now, this is the box. Okay, it has all the information. It's even clearing up. It's the iPhone 13. Now, with these phones, if you know, and if you are an Apple user, as the phones series go up, there's really not a adapter piece for the charger. So I usually buy like the big bulky one because it charges faster. But yeah, they don't come with adapter pieces. One thing I loved about this phone is that I vlog and I have a YouTube. We're on my YouTube channel, and the camera is awesome in this phone. This camera is awesome, and I feel like Apple work very hard and it gets the quality of every series, the up series. This is giving me, I feel like this is like the shape of like the older phones, like the thick, bulky one, like how the phones first were when they came out, compared to, I still have my iPhone 7 too. Compared to my iPhone 7, you see how it's much skinnier. I'm recording on my iPhone 10. My iPhone 10 is much skinnier as well compared to the 13. So I'm kind of happy that it's more chunkier, because I am the queen of my iPhone 10 that I'm recording on is in shambles. I wish I was recording on my phone so you guys can actually see. Well, I mean, I wish I was recording on my vlogging Canon camera so you guys can actually see the actual iPhone 10. But so this phone, the camera, first of all, is what I love, because I seen the commercial. If you didn't see the commercial, basically they show people vlogging and recording movies on this phone. So that's what first took me out. I was not looking for an upgrade, but like I said before, I got this as a gift. It's also this is the camera and the lights. I think this little piece right here is the microphone. On the side, we still have the up and down volume buttons and the sound off and sound on. At the bottom, we still have the phone chargers. And then this side is the swipe off and on. The charger, as I told you guys before, they don't have the adapter piece anymore. So they just give you the cord, and then you will get the adapter piece. I recommend the big chunky adapter piece because it charges faster. But I have that, and I also have the smaller ones for my other iPhones. I said before, I like the chunkiness of the 13. It still has the glass back. I have to get a case because I feel like I'm going to scratch the surface. One feature that I've learned with this, if you wanted to edit something, it has send message, edit pins, edit name and photo. So that's the feature that it has. It's a focus spot where you find focus in your day, filter notification signals to friends when you're not available, and hide distractions without missing what's important. So they have do not disturb, they have a personal, they have work, and they have a sleep. It's the same thing they have on other iPhones, but it's more of a focus key point section, which that's what I like about. I just got the phone fresh out. It's asking me to choose my style, photographic styles. This is personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preference into capture. Photographic styles used advanced scene understandings to apply the right amount of adjustments. Okay, so we're just going to show the styles. So they have photographic styles. They have standard. They have a rich contrast. Let me see if I can move it over. I'm sorry, the light. Let me turn it this way. Now you see a shadow. Rich contrast. They have vibrant, warm, cool. I'm just gonna put it on standard right now. Use standard, and that's it. And then if you see the options, they have portrait, piano, photo, video, cinematic. So cinematic videos, you add a beautiful, shallow depth of field and focus transition to your videos automatically. Your video depth information is stored and allows you to change the depth of the field effect. I'm just gonna do continue, and then okay, that's cinematic. They have slow-mo, time-lapse, and all the other options, but so we are Del Frisco. Doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be getting my hair done. I am going out to a hookah lounge. So I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I look a mess now, so this is going to be before, and then I am going to do my hair and things like that. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is going to be a vlog. I went to the beauty supply store and got some hair and stuff to get my hair done. So yeah, let's go. You guys, I did my hair. Yes, and I know I looked a mess before, but I did my hair. I just did an up-down style with I sewed in the back and tied the ponytail, and I did 2 braids on the side. I'm just gonna fix my edges, and then I'm going to do my makeup. So I'm gonna get ready on camera, do my makeup, and get dressed, and then I'm going to be out of the door. So let's get ready. So I just finished getting ready. Now I'm about to head to the hookah spot and have some parties. So I'm gonna try to get some footage. If I don't get no footage, then you guys know I'm just gonna put my lipstick on. This is like a natural beat. I don't do too much, I just do enough, okay? So yeah, off to the hookah spot.
I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-tone. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out, honest. Vibes galore, cute. they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this
Talk, but they got no mouth when money bag talk. It's quiet, ain't no back talk. Quiet, ain't no back talk.